So this is the 5 minute level I was watching of the price ran down to the low and it started rejecting off of this low. I was looking for a close above this candle, which we got here. Now I'm looking for a break above here, because it shows some indication that there's some bullish action going on. And I'm wondering whether this area here, which you can see there was inefficiencies running out here, and this is the origin of this bearish move down. Now, I'm not sure if this is going to fill in or not, because all of this might have been mitigated and everything sorted out on the way up, and all this action that was going on within this area. So price might not have to come up here, and if it doesn't and I go long here, I'm in trouble. So like I said, I'm looking for to see price breaking above this high. As we can see, 1 minute candle just came in and just mitigated this area. What I'm looking for is whether price has to come up deeper into this, up here somewhere, before it can now ultimately go on and make new lows. So we had this run up. Like I said, there were 10 candles on from here, this bullish run, and the only red one was that one. So price was on a mission to get somewhere. And we can see price got up between this high and this high and went. This might have all been washed out now, and price might not need to come back here. So we've got this bullish candle here. It could be causing price to react, and price might be reacting off of this level now that we're below this low. As you see, price reacted here and went bullish, failed to get any higher, and turned around, came through this low, and now we're approaching this low from the other side. So as there was buying here, now we're through it and coming at it from the other side, we might be getting selling here. Because all this stuff is never as easy as it looks. Well, it's never easy, but you know, there's so many things you have to think about. Because this is this reverse S, like this, on a bearish move is one of my favourite reactions. See the S, or the reverse S, and we can see there was a relatively big bullish wick on this 5-minute candle. So I'm not sure. I think if price is going to ultimately go lower, I don't think price is going to have to come up here, but it might have to dip in to some of that wick. I don't know. We can see price is very reluctant to close above this level now. So again, I'm reluctant to just go short this close to the today's low. There's no point, there's no value in going short it down here. And like I said, I should have been looking to get short up here, because I don't know what I would. I mean, I was anticipating price coming back and getting a reaction bullish, but and that's it, you get blinded, or I get blinded by the amount of information I put on a chart. Less is always more. But we can see this this bullish 5-minute candle here, bar, is rejecting price, bearish. But what I don't think there is, I don't think there's, if price is going to continue lower and break these lows, these daily lows here, from what I'm seeing, I don't think there's enough supply here to push price lower. Price is ultimately going to have to climb higher up into this to find the supply it needs to get lower. So even coming, when you look at it, when you look at this price move, we're in this trading range. Price came from this high to this low, back up to this high, and this high at the moment is failing to make a new low here, a new daily low. We've only whipped through it on a 5-minute chart. So ultimately price might have to come back up here, like I've said, to find the supply it needs to ultimately get the push through this level. There. I failed to get an entry, which is a real pain, because I could walk through what I was anticipating price doing and it did it here, but it was too fast and I didn't like to enter off of that candle, which ultimately I should have done. Because there, if I'd entered off of that candle right now, I'd be in profit, but I didn't. And it's for reasons like this that I started doing limit orders. I'd have done a limit sell order at 50% of this range, and you can see hit it spot on and went. But I'm going to need to do more work on that. But you can see, you know, you've just got to be watching price live and be aware of what it's doing. You see, I did half anticipate price having to come up to just liquidate this last bit, but it didn't need to. You can see. Price just came to the 50% level and just dropped. But yeah, but you know what I wanted to see, because I mean things have got more more volatile now because New York is coming online. I mean basically what I was looking for here is what I missed here. You see, and the quicker it comes back into the level, the better. Let's get rid of this. You can see here, price broke through, and it took all this time to come back up into this level. And you can see here, there was, you know, it was less volatile. So the price action was less erratic coming out, but you can see there was this bearish candle that I could have gone short on, and then just to confirm it, there was this one also, but I missed it. And what made this valid as an entry short was the fact that, you know, I'd gone short in here after the same thing had happened here. Price had come down through this candle, this bullish candle here, closed below it, came back into it to this high and went and dropped off right here. But we can see, you know, there was still supply left here for price to feed off, so it didn't get to my target, came back and took me out. But then you see, if price was going to continue up from here, it would have been making new highs. It would have broken through this level and made a new high up here. and it failed to do that, and then price went bearish, and I missed that. And now, you know, there's a bearish bias. It was happening here, but of course by now, what time's this? This is 1 o'clock UK time, so it's 8 o'clock New York, and things are starting to come online in New York, and you can see the volatility's now picked up. That I should have been, you see, in times like that where you get that, just that hit, I've got, you know, it's like I said, I've got to be watching this more to understand what happens, to how price reacts at different times of the day. Anyway, I'll leave this video here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.